Alright, so we're back here at AJTK doing another Top Sterling. It will be the second box our customer's doing.
I feel like rolling it. Just got back from Reno. I feel like
There you
rolling
go.
it again. So Mickey Mantle on the All-Stars. So hold it. Hey, this is the last box of the case, right?
Yeah, so we made a little bet of what it was. I said it's the
Okay.
500 home run club.
We'll look again.
League MVPs.
That sounds cool.
Well,
League MVPs, 1 in 18. I think I win, guys.
Whatever.
I guess we'll go with
The mystery cut.
Mr. Pat. White.
What does that mean? 1 in 5?
I don't know.
Yogi Berra.
Oh, could be Yankees again.
Oh, yeah.
Feel it. League MVPs. Who do you think? What was the odds, Matt?
1 in
18.
18.
Oh, chancing, huh? Okay, we gotta go high-tech way. Ooh, heard that.
It's because I was on the blade side.
Oh.
You were using the ball side.
Oh, shoot. God. Terrible, huh? Okay, we go bottom. Ooh, no, we go top way. That way was the blue way. Fuck, that's hard to forget now. Got me shaking.
Yankee.
Who's that?
On Natalie.
Okay, look at that numbered.
League MVPs. What
20
could it,
at
what could it be?
25. Oh, you got the pinstripes in the jerseys. That's cool.
Was he an
Alright.
MVP?
Must be.
70s. I guess this is the 70s model then. Oh, look, redemption, bro.
Oh,
I've never seen that.
I've never seen a redemption on Top Sterling.
So we get. Oh, look, we get one like atomic. Look, some color, bro.
Oh.
Look at that.
What is that? No.
Superfractor. Roger Maris.
Roger Maris, bro. Come on, baby.
Oh!
You fuckers! Oh. Sorry, bro. Okay, we get redemption now.
Okay, let's see the redemption.
Keep it going. We got it. Who's this?
Sterling Auto Reddick.
SSSAR. Oh. 57.
I have no idea.
Roger Maris again. Gotta be.
Oh, CC Sabathia. Hey, this is a Yankees box, bro. What's wrong with CC?
Okay, now that's
What is
good.
that? What is that number
It's on a
two?
50.
Oh, shit. I thought that was a one-on-one.
I know, me too.
God. Darn it.
Right.
Sorry, let's see.
Hey, that was pretty cool.
Roger Maris.
Alright. Hey, wait.
MLB logo. And Yogi Berra. This was a Yankees box.
And that's
And that's another.
the second box.
Probably the best box we've seen. So, thank you.